Chapter 3. Social Interaction. How to introduce yourself. 1. Great party, isn't it? Yeah. It's cool. I'm Ravi. I'm Suma. Nice to meet you. You too. Hi, I'm Sanju. Hi, Sanju. I'm Abhay. Nice to meet you. You too, Sanju. So, how do you know the host? I live next door. How to introduce people. 1. Romeo, meet Sujay. Sujay, this is Romeo. Nice to meet you, Sujay. You too, Romeo. 2. Ravi, this is Chris. Chris, this is Ravi. Nice to meet you, James. You too, Chris. I've heard a lot about you. All good, I hope. How to welcome a new employee. 1. Hi, I'm Lata. Nice to meet you. I'm Robert. You too. Are you new here? Yes, it's my first day here. 2. You must be Sheila. Yes, right. I'm Jay. Nice to meet you, Sheila. Let me show you around. Nice to meet you too, Jill. Thank you. 3. Hello, Manu. Welcome to the HP company. Let me introduce you to some people. Thank you, that would be nice. 4. Hi, I'm Aravind. Are you new here? Yes, I'm Alex. I'm a new paralegal. Where will you be working? On the 7th floor. We'll be seeing a lot of each other then. How to make an invitation. 1. Would you like to come to my birthday party? I'd love to. What time is your party? 5 p.m. I'll be there. Thanks. 2. Would you like to come over for dinner tonight? That would be lovely, but I've got a previous arrangement. What a shame. I would love to come another time. 3. I'd love it if you could come to stay, but do you mind dogs? No, of course not. Thank you for inviting me. How to welcome guests. 1. Hi, come in. Hi. Nice to see you. I'm glad you could make it. Thank you for asking me. 2. Hi, come in. Nice to see you. You look wonderful. Thank you. It's a pleasure to have you here. I'm very glad I came. 3. Nice to have you here. I'm glad I could come. How was your journey? I hit a traffic jam, but quite smooth after all. How to compliment your host on their home. 1. You've got a lovely house. Thank you. Let me show you around. 2. Come into the living room and have a seat. Your living room is very beautiful. 3. Make yourself comfortable. Thank you. How to offer guests a drink. 1. Would you like a drink? Yes, please. What have you got? 2. Can I get you something to drink? Yes, please. I'd like a cup of tea. 3. How do you take your coffee? 2 sugars, no milk, please. How to offer food to your guests? 1. Help yourself to the cookies. Thank you. They are delicious. 2. Please go ahead with the salad. I'll bring the lamb in red wine in a minute. Sounds delicious. 3. Can I get anyone anything? No, thanks. We are full. The meal was delicious. 4. Are you done? Yes, thank you. It was delicious.